9. Project communication and reporting. Effective communication planning and strategies. Communication planning involves determining the communication needs of the project and developing a communication plan. This plan outlines the communication objectives, target audience, communication channels, frequency, and messaging. Effective communication strategies ensure that project information is conveyed clearly, concisely, and in a timely manner to the relevant stakeholders. Stakeholder communication and engagement. Engaging stakeholders through effective communication is essential for project success. Project managers need to establish regular communication channels with stakeholders, keeping them informed about project progress, milestones, risks, and changes. Engaging stakeholders in meaningful discussions and seeking their input helps maintain their interest, involvement, and support throughout the project. Project status reporting and documentation. Regular project status reporting is critical for keeping stakeholders informed about the project's progress, achievements, and challenges. Project managers prepare status reports that highlight key metrics, milestones, risks, and issues. These reports provide stakeholders with a snapshot of the project's current state and serve as a basis for decision-making. Additionally, maintaining comprehensive project documentation ensures that project information is accessible and serves as a reference for future analysis or audits. Presenting project information to stakeholders. Project managers need to effectively present project information to stakeholders through various mediums such as meetings, presentations, or workshops. These presentations should be tailored to the audience's needs, providing a clear overview of project objectives, progress, and upcoming activities. Visual aids, charts, and graphs can be used to enhance understanding and engagement. 10. Project closure and lessons learned. Project closure activities and documentation. Project closure involves completing all remaining activities and delivering the final project outcomes. This includes obtaining formal acceptance from stakeholders, conducting final project reviews, and preparing project closure documents such as final reports, lessons learned, and project documentation. Closure activities also involve addressing outstanding issues, completing financial activities, and formalizing any necessary contracts or agreements. Conducting project reviews and lessons learned sessions. Project reviews provide an opportunity to assess the overall project performance, identify successes and areas for improvement, and capture lessons learned. These reviews involve analyzing project outcomes, comparing them against the initial objectives, and evaluating the effectiveness of project processes and methodologies. Lessons learned sessions involve gathering input from project team members and stakeholders to identify what worked well, what didn't, and recommendations for future projects. Transitioning project deliverables to operations. If applicable, transitioning project deliverables to operations is an important aspect of project closure. This involves ensuring that the project outcomes are smoothly handed over to the operational teams responsible for their ongoing management and maintenance. This may include training, documentation, knowledge transfer, and any necessary adjustments or handover activities to ensure a seamless transition. Celebrating project success and recognizing team achievements. Project closure provides an opportunity to celebrate the successful completion of the project and recognize the contributions and achievements of the project team. Recognizing team members' efforts and celebrating milestones helps foster a positive team environment, boosts morale, and promotes a sense of accomplishment. This can be done through team gatherings, appreciation events, or acknowledging team members' contributions in project closure documents.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.